What's up, y'all? Welcome back to TIECE'S TV. How y'all doing? Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and also if this is your first time watching TIECE'S TV, welcome. I'm so glad that you clicked on my video today. So today I'm going to show you guys how I tie my turbans. Now I had to figure out a few different ways on how I can style my hair, whether it's like I don't feel like doing my wash day routine, or my hair looking a little crazy, or I just wanted to have like a cute little personal touch to my hair. I found a few ways I like tying my turbans on my head, and I decided to show you guys. It's super easy, super quick, and I tie my turbans with this lovely scarf that I found on Amazon. I think it came in this color and also in black. I don't remember how much they were, but I'll make sure I link it in the description box below. But I'm super excited to show you guys how to style your turbans or style your TWAs. I think that this styling tip can work for any hair length, I would say, because I have super short hair, but I also feel like these tying methods, or I guess you want to call it these turban tying methods, you can use it for any length. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like and share and all those good things. I always forget to tell you guys, but make sure you hit the notification bell button as well, because I am posting very often and you never know when I'm gonna post, what I'm gonna post. So go ahead and hit the notification bell button, and let's get into it. thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. I am planning on doing some more hair tutorial. Talk to TIECE. I'm planning on doing some more hair tutorials with my TWA. I'm actually planning on cutting it a little shorter than what it is right now. So just keep a lookout on that, because I feel like I'm gonna try some hairstyles people have never seen before. Like, I really want to try to attempt to like really style my TWA. I feel like when I look on YouTube, there's a lot of the same hairstyles, and so I feel like with this short hairstyle, with this TWA, I want to be able to like just be creative with it. So just keep a lookout, because I am going to be trying some really crazy hairdos, but I do want to make sure that I just kind of give you guys ideas of how you can make your TWA very versatile. I can't talk today, but I hope you guys get the gist of what I'm talking about. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed week, an amazing week. I pray that you experience God goodness this week, and I love y'all, and until next time, bye.